Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on allow page invitations on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on settings here down. Then it's going to take you to next window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on data privacy, and you come to a next window here, just go down and you come here to invitations from your network. You will click here, then you come to this window, you come here to allow page invitations. You will click here on this sign, and like you see now, this color show for us here, that's mean allow page invitations, it's on off now. I wish know you agree it. That's all, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.